Alright, this might be a terrible idea. I just taped my phone to the right side of the printer frame, so I try to get this shot. I'm trying to change up this filament, and I have to squeeze this spring over on this side and feed the filament through a hole on this side, through this hole in between here, in between these little gears, which I'm just kind of twist and feed into the tube, but I have to make sure it goes through this tiny little notched part of the tube that feeds through this coupler, and I finally got it through there. I had to use a pair of needle nose pliers to hold this down because it just feeds up through here and down into the top. And I can see it coming through here. I have the nozzle heated up to 201 degrees. I couldn't hit exactly 200. And now I just have to push it down so it squeezes the leftover PETG out of there, which I think I actually have to heat up the nozzle to do. So back up to 213. I don't want to go too hot and maybe burn my PLA, but I have to force the PETG out. We're at 211, 212, 213. Okay. Yeah, it is starting to squeeze out. All you people that follow that popping hashtag, maybe I should add that on here. My hand. Both my hands. It's still coming out orange, and I'm changing to purple. Okay, I have moved my phone and taped it to the countertop instead and propped it up with some rolls of tape. Let's see if you can see this change color. Maybe if I put white behind it. I have no idea what I'm doing, kids. That's terrible. We are planning a different enclosure. Well, an enclosure. That might be terrible. It's starting to come out purpley. I really want to get that orange thing off the fan. Maybe I'll just do that later. Focus. I think it's actually starting to build in midair. I'm not feeding it currently, it's doing that on its own. looks pretty purple. And that is a string of filament that came out orange and turned purple.